Do you use Excel in your structural project? Obviously, yes. But do you know you can link it directly with the STAAD engine and exchange data with a single click? Hi, my name is Surajit Ghosh. I work in Bentley Systems as a structural engineer and provide structural consultation and support to our global clients. In this video, I will discuss how we can link an Excel file to STAAD for automation and data transfer purpose. Excel is probably the most common tool used in any structural project to store or calculate some value, used as a medium to transfer data from one domain to another, and sometimes even used to perform design. So if you can link your Excel file with your structural analysis software, STAAD, that definitely helps you a lot and minimize the effort and error in data transfer process. Everyone is familiar with the cell functions and use different functions for calculation or data handling purpose. Do you know you can write your own code in Excel using VBA language? You don't need any programming knowledge for that. VBA is one of the easiest programming language and you can get plenty of helps from the internet. You can simply create a macro or a command button control from the developer tab and write your code here. You can take inputs from Excel file or from any other application, perform a specific task and export the output in Excel, in Notepad, in CAD or any other third-party application. This is known as a macro-enabled Excel file and this must be saved as an XLSM file. The file format is different from the normal Excel file with extension .xlsx. And as a macro is linked with this Excel, first time when you try to open this file, a pop-up message warns you about the potential harm. If the resource is known, you can trust and open the file. Also, sometimes the firewall or the antivirus system remove these files. In such case, you need to change the configuration of your firewall system. Your structural analysis software STAAD is equipped with an API interface using which you can directly link your Excel file with STAAD engine. This API library is known as OpenSTAAD Functions. There are hundreds of OpenSTAAD functions available in the library with different category and you can use these functions individually or combinedly in your code. Imagine that you have provided some geometry inputs like node and beam information, section information in Excel, and with a single click, the whole 3D structural model is generated in STAAD. Or you are analyzing and extracting the analysis results from a series of STAAD models in an Excel file without even opening those models. Isn't it exciting? Using OpenSTAAD function and Excel file, you can minimize your modeling, analysis, and data transfer time in a great extent. This month, we have launched a new user tools gallery in our official forum page, Bentley community site. We will publish several tools in this gallery which can link STAAD with Excel or any other application. You can check this gallery, download and save those files and use as per your requirement. Link of this gallery is provided in the description. To use, simply open the downloaded user tool file, provide the inputs, check the document file or the tutorial video if you are not sure about the inputs, and finally, click on relevant command button to perform a specific task like extract analysis results or assign design parameters. If you want to know more about OpenSTAAD, post that in comment section. Also, turn on the notifications to get more updates on OpenSTAAD and user tools. Thanks for watching.